Hello everyone. This word trigonometry, a fancy word, it has always left us wonder what it actually means. So let us try dissecting the word, maybe into tri, because tri is very familiar. It stands for three, and the last part of the trigonometry, which is metry, may mean metric, which metric is measurement. So we are talking about some measurements here. And what about the middle part? This gone. It sounds something like polygon. It rhymes with polygon, but here polygon is of many sides. A closed figure of many sides is called a polygon. Here we are talking about just three, so three sides. So what does three sides at once make us visualize? A triangle, isn't it? A three-sided closed figure is a triangle. Even if you look at it as three angles, a three-sided closed figure would make three angles. So trigonometry stands for study of some kind of measurement of triangles. Having seen all this, just an intuition of what trigonometry might mean, trigonometry finds a way to creep into every subject of study. Whatever, physics, we see trigonometry, in biology it creeps into it. So let us just find, imagine a situation where a boy a person is standing here, and he is looking at an object which is above, say, a tower, a tall tower. Maybe his girlfriend is standing there. He's looking at her, and he makes an angle, right? He makes an angle with the ground. I am just ignoring his height now. So he makes an angle with the ground. So an angle is involved here, and if you look at the tower, it makes a right angle with the same horizontal, whichever we are talking about, isn't it? So see, a triangle is formed, right? So triangles are actually everywhere. It is just left to us to visualize where it is. So let me give you another situation. Maybe here the only change is a person is standing on top of a building, maybe his house, and he is on the second floor of his house. So let's say this is the second floor and this is the balcony of his second floor. He is standing here. He is looking down, once again making an angle with the building, with his house. So let me draw a line here. So he makes an angle here, right? And maybe he is looking down at his pet dog here, right? So this is dog. And so once again, if you join this, if you consider this to be the ground, an angle is made, and a right angle is created also here in this triangle which we are visualizing. Now since we have joined all these distances which are involved, we have made a triangle which is also right angled. So we are talking about right angles here, right? We can visualize right angles in many situations. Now not only these straight lined right angles, now imagine one more situation where a boy is just playing with a ball. He is throwing a ball, and all of us know that the path which the ball traces, if you throw a ball, the path which it traces is a curve. It's not a triangle in any way, it's a curve. But consider the instance where he throws the ball. Suppose this is the ground. Once again, I am ignoring his height. If this is the ground, consider the instance where he throws the ball, isn't it? Like this. So he makes an angle with the ground, and an angle is created here. So triangles are formed even in curves. So this is quite interesting, isn't it? Knowing this angle, you can estimate things like how far the ball goes, that is this distance, or the height which it achieves, that is this distance. All that can be estimated knowing certain factors here, and this is where trigonometry plays a major role, right? But we'll have to imagine right angles, visualize right angles in these situations and estimate accordingly. So I will see the later part in our following videos. This video is just to give you an intuition into trigonometry. Thank you.